What's up guys, my name is Camille and I've had this YouTube channel for about a year now, and I have been doing a lot of cooking videos, but then I was MIA for a little bit. I think the last time I posted was in the winter, so a few months ago. So I'm up to something else. I'm up to something new. I'm gonna be telling you guys what's sold on Poshmark, and I just started Poshmark in May, so I'm gonna tell you guys what's sold on Poshmark within my first month. So obviously I don't have this stuff anymore, so what I'll do is I'll look at the item and then I will post it either here or there, so that way you guys know what it looked like. Alright, so keep in mind all of the items that I am going to show you today. I've either had it in my closet for years, or I've purchased it at the thrift store for either pretty much all of my closet, pretty much my whole shop. I've paid under $250 for it. Everything that's on Poshmark I've paid under $250 for. 80% of my closet on Poshmark I did only pay $1, so keep that in mind. Alright, so I got my laptop here. I will show you guys exactly what's sold. Okay, so I started Poshmark on May 1st, and my first sale was May 9th, and I had about 15 items. No, I would say like 15 to 20 items in my closet, and now I have about 220 in my closet, and it is July already. So for the month of May, my first sale was on May the 9th, which was a Adidas purple half zip sweater. It actually came from my own personal closet. I got it at Costco. I don't know, like I would say like 4 or 5 years ago. I sold it for $15 and my earnings were $12. And then that same day I sold a Nike half zip sweater. I've never worn it. It was also from my closet, but I just never worn it, so it had actually it did not have tags, but I did mention it that it was new without tags, and it was a hot pink color, size medium. I also sold that for $15, and then I earned $12. And then the next thing was on May 13th, which was a red Nike sports bra. It was an extra large. I sold for $10. I profited $7, and I think I got it at the Salvation Army for like $1.25. And then the 14th of May, I sold a purple Nike skirt. It was like purple with white stripes on the side. It was a size large. I priced it at $8 because the white was a little off-white, and then I profited $5. And then the next one, I had a sale on May 17th, which was Anthropologie Puella tank tunic. It was a size extra large. Sold it for $15, profited about $12. And then the last item that I sold in May, it was an American Eagle jeans. It was a size 14, sold it for $15, earned $12. So those were the only items I sold on my first month of being on Poshmark, which was how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and I profited $60. So those are my sales for the month of May. Made $60 profit, and I spent, I would say about, so I'm not really counting the Adidas and the Nike sweater, just because I've like bought it a long time ago and I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I think out of $60 I spent about, I would say between $7 to $10 purchasing these items. So I spent $10, earned $60, so not bad at all. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those are my sales for the month of May 2018, and if you guys are interested in my June sales, stay tuned for the next video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!